اهلا بكم طلاب الصف الاول الاعدادي. مكملين مع بعض المراجعه النهائيه للغه الانجليزيه الترم الاول المنهج الجديد، وده الجزء الثاني في المراجعه بتاعتنا. وهنتكلم عن السؤال الثالث اللي بيجي ذا باسج، القطعه اللي بتبقى موجوده معانا. طب ازاي ان انا اجاوب القطعه الريدنج دي بشكل كويس؟ اول حاجه مهمه جدا ان انا لازم اقرا الاسئله في الاول قبل ما اقرا القطعه. مهم جدا اقرا الاسئله قبل ما اقرا القطعه. بعد كده اقرا القطعه قرايه سريعه، اول مره بقراها قرايه سريعه. بعد كده اقراها مره ثانيه واحط خط تحت الكلمات اللي شايفها انا مهمه والغريبه او اللي اول مره اشوفها. بعد كده نركز في القطع على حاجات زي مثلا الروابط، الاماكن، التواريخ، الاسباب، اسباب حاجه معينه بعد كلمه بيكوز او از، الاشخاص، وهكذا الحاجات المهمه. نحاول نفصص القطعه يعني على قد ما نقدر. بعد كده نقرا الاسئله تاني ونحاول نفهم معنى السؤال، وهل هو جاي بشكل مباشر في القطعه ولا محتاج ان انت تفهم القطعه كويس. تعال نطبق الكلام ده مع بعض في المودلز اللي معانا. نشوف read the passage and answer the questions. هنا my name is Basant. My name is Basant. I wanted to be a doctor. طيب احنا ما عملناش، اول غلطه عملناها ان احنا ما قريناش الاسئله. تعال نقرا الاسئله زي ما اتفقنا. Answer the following questions. Where is Basant? What subject is Basant interested in? What is Basant's goal? كده choose. Basant didn't space in England last year. Her favorite space was a river in Cambridge. Basant has a friend from space. طبعا احنا تقريبا فهمنا بيتكلم عن باسنت وبتعمل ايه او بتروح فين وهكذا. باسنت تقول I want to be a doctor here in Tanta. So I always work hard at school. My favorite subject are science and computer studies. I also want to speak good English to other children in different places. My teachers are very good. I like to use technology. I use tablet to practice my English. Sometimes I use my phone too. Last year I learned English in London with my family. It was fantastic. I cycled to summer school every day and I met students from different countries. I now have friends from Uganda. My favorite place was a river in Cambridge. It was very beautiful but I didn't swim in it. طيب تعال نشوف الأسئلة بقى. Answer the following question. Where is Basant? طبعا هي بتقول اهو where is Basant? I want to be a doctor in Tanta. Here in Tanta. يبقى ايه؟ She is in Tanta. She is in ايه؟ She is in Tanta. طيب تعال نشوف تاني. What subject is Basant interested in? بهتم بأنهي بقى؟ يبقى هي أنا تقول يبقى his favorite subject are science and computer studies. طيب what is Basant's goal؟ يعني هدفها ايه؟ طبعا she want to be a doctor in Tanta. صح كده؟ she want to be a doctor in Tanta. طيب choose the correct answer. Basant didn't ايه in England last year. didn't swim in a river ولا meet new friends ولا practice her English ولا cycle to school. didn't. طب تعال نشوف بقى. هي بتقول last year. بعد كده I also wanted to speak English. Children, my teachers are very good. I like use technology. I use tablets. My practice English. Sometimes I use phone. I learned English in London with my family. Learn English. بعد كده it was fantastic. I cycled to summer school. وبعد كده cycled to summer school every day. And I met students from different countries. I now have a friend from Uganda. My favorite place was a river in Cambridge. It was very beautiful but I didn't swim in it. But I didn't swim in it. يبقى ايه؟ didn't swim in a river in England last year. طيب. Her favorite space was river in Cambridge. Her favorite بليس اهي. my favorite place was a river in Kenya. يبقى favorite place. بسانتس has a friend from بتقول انا ايه I have friend from ايه؟ from Uganda. بسانتس has a friend from افريكا ولا اسيا ولا يوروب ولا نص. طب هنا بقى ايه سؤال مش مباشر، هو اوجندا. طب اوجندا دي موجوده فين يا جماعه؟ اوجندا دي موجوده في افريكا. تمام. فنخلي بالنا. بص هنا ادي سؤال، هي عندها فريند اوف اوجندا. طب هنا في سؤال جاي اصلا بره القطعه خالص، بيعتمد على فكرك انت وبيعتمد على معلوماتك العامه. عشان كده النجاح في اي مجال، محتاج ان احنا يبقى عندنا ثقافه عامه. مش ان انا بحفظ سؤال وبروح احطه في الامتحان وخلاص، لا، انا لازم يبقى عندي ثقافه عامه ولازم اقرا كتير واحاول ان انا ابقى تمام في معظم المجالات يعني. طيب نيجي بقى للقطعه الثانيه، نتكلم عن شم النسيم. طيب تعال نقرا الاسئله في الاول زي ما اتعودنا. What is your favorite time of the year? Where did you spend your last شم النسيم? Which season is شم النسيم in? choose بعد كده. The underlined word it refers to. فسيخ is a kind of space. They spent last شم النسيم in space. طيب تعال نشوف كده القطعة بتتكلم عن ايه. شم النسيم is my favorite time of the year. يبقى my favorite time of the year is شم النسيم. We enjoy it at the start of spring. The start of ايه؟ spring، بداية الربيع. شم النسيم started in 2700 BCE. BCE اللي هو before Christmas era، قبل ميلاد المسيح. Today most Egyptians have a picnic in a garden. picnic يعني رحلة أو فسحة. in a garden or next to the river with their families. Many people also go to the beach where they make sand castles and swim in sea. On this day we eat a lot of special food. Do you want to know how to enjoy فسيخ? add lemon، عشان عايز تستمتع بالفسيخ يعني add lemon juice to the fish and have it with salad. ومع السلطة it's delicious but you should buy it اللي هي ايه بقى it؟ اهو بيتكلم عن الايه؟ الفسيخ. بس you should buy it from a good shop and you shouldn't eat much. ما تاكلش كتير. Last year at شم النسيم we went to Alexandria. We visited our family and went to the beach. We rode our bikes and played games. طيب تعال نشوف الأسئلة بتاعتنا. What is your favorite time of the year? طبعا my favorite time of the year اهو is شم النسيم، أو شم النسيم is my favorite time of the year. Number 2. Where did you spend your last شم النسيم? Where did you spend your last شم النسيم؟ فين قضيته امتى؟ اهو. هنا فين كلمة فين spend اهو. شم النسيم we enjoy it at the start of the spring. هنا بيقول مثلا اقول مثلا ايه؟ in a garden next to the river with my family مثلا، او with my family. مثلا I go to the beach. اي حاجه من الحاجات دي تقدر تقولها. which season is شم النسيم in؟ which season فأنهي فصل يعني، فأنهي فصل في السنه. طبعا شم النسيم it is in the start of spring، او in spring على طول، اقول in spring. طيب choose the correct answer. The underlined word it refers to ايه؟ it اللي احنا قلناها دي طبعا refers to ايه؟ فسيخ، لان بيقول لك هنا ابتدى يتكلم عن الفسيخ. بيقول لك add lemon juice to the fish and have it with salad. It's delicious but you should buy it. اللي هو ايه؟ buy فسيخ يعني. buy فسيخ from a good shop. طيب فسيخ is a kind of ايه؟ meat ولا كاسل ولا بروجرام ولا fish؟ دي طبعا معلومات عامة برضه. ده نوع من ايه الفسيخ ده؟ طبعا نوع من الفيش، من السمك. طيب they spent last شم النسيم in ايه؟ قضوا شم النسيم اللي فات فين بقى؟ كايرو ولا لوكسور ولا اسوان ولا الكسندريا؟ اهو last year at شم النسيم we went to Alexandria. يبقى ايه؟ in Alexandria. اعتقد الامور بتبقى بسيطه وسهله بس محتاجه شويه تركيز. تعال نشوف الموديل نمبر 3 مع بعض. موديل نمبر 3 نقرا كده الاسئله بتاعتنا. What can tourists enjoy in Hurghada? How do most tourists come to Egypt? How? What is famous for the bazaars? Choose. The word they refers to. The word ancient is the same meaning as. نفس معنى ايه بقى ancient؟ Egypt is a space country. طيب تعال ناخد القطعة الريدنج بتاعتنا. Many tourists come to Egypt from all over the world. Some of them come by ship, but most of them come by plane. Egypt is a popular place for a holiday. In Egypt, tourists can visit many exciting places and do many interesting things. In Alexandria and Hurghada, they اللي هم مين بقى؟ they اللي هم tourists. They can enjoy beaches and delicious food. In Cairo, they like to visit the pyramids. There, they ride camels and enjoy taking photos. In Old Cairo, they visit many historical places. The most famous place in Old Cairo is Khan el-Khalili. It is famous for its markets and bazaars. They go to Luxor and Aswan to enjoy the high dam and the ancient temples. They always say that Egypt is a safe country. طيب. What can tourists enjoy in Hurghada? What can tourists enjoy؟ بيستمتعوا بإيه في Hurghada؟ طبعا هنا اهو موجودة. In Alexandria and Hurghada they can enjoy beaches and delicious food. بس كده. In Hurghada they can enjoy the beaches and delicious food. How do most tourists come to Egypt? How كيف يعني بيجوا ازاي؟ most بقى most tourists خلي بالنا طبعا most tourists most tourists come Egypt by plane. Most tourists come Egypt by a by plane. What is famous for the bazaars? What is famous for the bazaars? طبعا famous for the bazaars ايه؟ خان الخليلي. خان الخليلي is it is famous for its markets and bazaar. خان الخليلي. طيب the word they طبعا refers to ايه؟ refers to tourists اللي هي دي زي ما احنا قلنا they can enjoy. مين هم اللي enjoy؟ طبعا tourists. تمام. The word ancient is the same meaning as. كلمة ancient معناها ايه؟ طبعا very old. very ايه؟ very old. Egypt is a country طبعا is a safe country زي ما التورستس بيقولوا. Egypt is a safe. They always say that Egypt is a safe country. تمام. Model 4 read and read then answer the questions. ناخد الكويستشن في الأول. Where did the train stop? What did the woman ask the boy to do? Why couldn't the woman go to the cafeteria? Choose. The boy came back a few seconds. The boy bought space. The woman ate space. تعالوا نشوف مع بعض ايه الباسج بتاعتنا. Once a train stopped at a small station and a woman opened the window. There was a boy outside and the woman said to him. الست قالت له ايه بقى الولد ده؟ I don't want to get out of the train as I am old and I can't walk fast. Please. يعني هي مش قادرة تطلع بره القطار فيعني انا مش قادرة اطلع يعني. Run to the station cafeteria and get me an ice cream and get one for yourself. روح الكافيتيريا هات لي واحده ايس كريم وهات واحده ليك انت بقى. here is 1 pound. خد جنيه اهو. the boy came back before the train moved again. he was eating an ice cream. he ran to the woman's window, gave her 50 piasters. اداها نص جنيه 50 قرش and said I am awfully sorry madam. There was only one ice cream in the cafeteria. كان في واحدة ايس كريم بس في الكافيتيريا. Here is the 150 piasters. اتفضلي النص جنيه اللي فاضل. هو طبعا اشترى واحدة لنفسه واخر واحدة فكلها لنفسه وما رضيش يديها ايه يرجع لها الباقي لان هي قالت له ايه هات لي واحدة وانت واحدة. طيب where did the train stop؟ طبعا the train stopped at a small station. تمام. what did the woman ask the boy to do؟ قالت له يعمل ايه طبعا؟ she asked him to ايه؟ to go to the cafeteria and bring her an ice cream. طبعا اهي to go to the cafeteria and get her an ice cream and get one for himself. طيب why couldn't the woman go to the cafeteria؟ ليه بقى ما كانتش قادرة؟ طبعا because she is ايه؟ she is very old. هي كانت كبيرة في السن and cannot ايه go to the cafeteria. The boy came back a few seconds. جه بعد شوية. when the train moved ولا before the train moved ولا after the train moved ولا the moment the train moved؟ طبعا when before the ايه the train moved قبل ما القطار يتحرك. The boy bought one ice cream ولا two ice cream ولا no ice cream ولا a cup of tea؟ طبعا one ice cream. The woman ate. الست اكلت ايه بقى؟ one ice cream ولا two ice cream ولا three ice cream ولا nothing؟ طبعا nothing. هو ما جابها لهاش هو جاب لنفسه بس. طبعا the woman ate nothing. طيب تعالى اخر موديل معانا. بيتكلم عن محمد صلاح. What is Muhammad Salah's nickname؟ What is Muhammad Salah good at؟ How does he spend his free time؟ Choose. Muhammad Salah's team is in space. Salah is friendly as he always talk to his A. The word space means gives money in the passage. gives money يعني بدي فلوس. طب تعال نشوف كده الباسج بتاعتنا. محمد صلاح is my favorite sport star. He plays football for a very good team in England called Liverpool. He plays for Egypt too. He is very good at scoring goals. He is a fast runner. Muhammad Salah has usually got a big smile. He is quite short for a footballer. He is 1.75 meters tall. He has got dark curly hair and beard. He is a kind person. He gives money to build schools and hospitals in Egypt. He also gives money to poor people. He is friendly and he always talks to his fans. He has not got much time for hobbies, but when he is at home, he enjoys playing video games and watching film. He is famous as the Egyptian king. مشهور ان هو the Egyptian king. طيب what is محمد صلاح's nickname؟ nickname يعني ايه؟ اسم الشهرة بتاعه. تمام؟ طبعا ايه؟ the Egyptian king. the Egyptian king. طيب what is محمد صلاح good at؟ هو good at ايه طبعا؟ he is very good at scoring goals. اهو he is very good at scoring goals. How does he spend his free time؟ بيقضي وقت فراغه ازاي طبعا؟ he enjoys playing video games and watching film. طيب choose. محمد صلاح the team is in ايه؟ الفريق بتاعه موجود فين؟ طبعا in ايجيبت ولا فرنسا ولا افريقيا ولا يوروب؟ طبعا هو في انجلاند، وانجلاند دي فين؟ في يوروب. تمام؟ خلي بالنا من الحاجات دي في يوروب. صلاح is friendly as he always talks to his ايه بقى؟ طبعا talks to his ايه؟ fans، المعجبين بتوعه. The word space means gives money. gives money معناه ايه؟ يا ترى donates ولا drinks ولا eats ولا throws؟ طبعا donates. donates يعني ايه؟ يتبرع. طبعا gives money to poor people، يبقى donates money. donates. تمام، وبكده نكون خلصنا سؤال الباسج. اشوفكم في الفيديو اللي جاي مع the fourth question اللي هو التشويس، وازاي هنتعلم ازاي نحل التشويس مع بعض، وهناخد طبعا الحاجات المهمه جدا اللي المفروض نبقى عارفينها عشان نجاوب سؤال التشويس. اتمنى لكم كل التوفيق. تقدروا تحملوا مذكره من رابط تحت الفيديو، وتقدروا تسيبوا كومنتس بالحاجات اللي انتم محتاجينها. اتمنى لكم كل التوفيق. مع السلامه.